War is no longer just about tanks and rifles, it's about data, speed, and domination across land, sea, air, space, and cyberspace. The nature of warfare is evolving faster than ever before, and the world's leading militaries are racing to develop technologies that could tilt the balance of power for decades to come. From autonomous weapons to energy-based systems, the battlefield of the future is being shaped in high-tech laboratories today. In this video, we explore 5 revolutionary military technologies that aren't just science fiction. They are real, operational, and on the brink of transforming how wars are fought forever. Hypersonic weapons, the race for unstoppable speed. Hypersonic weapons are perhaps the most talked about and feared advancement in military technology today. These weapons travel at speeds exceeding Mach 5, over 6,000 kilometers per hour, making them nearly impossible to intercept with current missile defense systems. Unlike ballistic missiles that follow predictable arcs, hypersonic glide vehicles can maneuver mid-flight, confusing enemy radars and overwhelming defenses. Nations like the United States, China, and Russia are all aggressively pursuing hypersonic programs. Russia has already claimed operational use of its Kinzhal missile, while China's DF-ZF glide vehicle has sparked strategic alarm in Washington. Hypersonic weapons don't just bring speed, they bring first strike capability, the ability to hit hardened targets within minutes, and the power to disrupt military command chains before a counterattack is even possible. 2. Artificial intelligence and autonomous warfare. AI is transforming every aspect of the military, from logistics to surveillance, targeting to battlefield command. But perhaps the most controversial application is in autonomous weapon systems. We are witnessing the emergence of lethal autonomous drones and ground vehicles capable of identifying, selecting, and engaging targets without human intervention. The US, China, Israel, and Turkey are leading the field in AI-enabled weapons platforms, including loitering munitions, autonomous drone swarms, and AI-assisted fighter jets. In future conflicts, decision-making could happen in milliseconds, guided by machine learning algorithms trained on terabytes of combat data. AI can reduce human error, operate at superhuman speed, and manage complex battle scenarios. But it also raises serious ethical concerns about accountability, escalation, and the human cost of war without humans. 3. Directed energy weapons, warfare at the speed of light. Once confined to science fiction, directed energy weapons like high-energy lasers and microwave systems are now very real. These weapons can destroy drones, disable vehicles, or blind sensors instantly without the need for traditional ammunition. The US Navy is already testing ship-mounted lasers capable of intercepting incoming threats, while the US Army and Air Force are developing land and air-based systems to protect troops and infrastructure. Israel has successfully tested the Iron Beam, a laser air defense system designed to complement its Iron Dome. These weapons offer several advantages: low per-shot cost, deep magazines, as long as there's power, and instant engagement. In a world where drone swarms and hypersonic threats are becoming common, directed energy could be the most viable defense. And unlike conventional missiles, lasers strike at the speed of light, leaving no time to react. 4. Quantum technology, breaking the rules of warfare. Quantum technology is a silent revolution that could upend modern warfare. Quantum computing promises to break current encryption methods in seconds, while quantum communication offers unhackable data transmission. Militaries are racing to develop quantum radars capable of detecting stealth aircraft and quantum navigation systems that don't rely on vulnerable GPS satellites. China has made significant strides in this field, including launching the world's first quantum communication satellite. If operationalized, quantum technology could provide decisive advantages in intelligence gathering, electronic warfare, and command and control. In essence, it's not just about weapons, it's about the entire infrastructure of war being reinvented through the lens of quantum physics. The country that masters quantum tech may gain near-invisible surveillance, unbreakable cyber systems, and faster-than-ever computational dominance. 5. Next-generation combat drones and swarm warfare. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have already changed modern warfare, but the next evolution lies in smart, coordinated drone swarms. These are not individually piloted drones. They are intelligent, cooperative units capable of operating as a single tactical entity. Swarm drones can overwhelm air defenses, search and destroy targets, jam communications, or even conduct kamikaze strikes with devastating effect. The US, China, Iran, and Turkey are all exploring swarm tactics, while companies like DARPA are developing advanced control systems using AI, machine learning, and edge computing. What makes swarms so dangerous is their low cost, speed of deployment, and unpredictability. In the near future, a squad of 100 drones may carry out missions that once required aircraft, tanks, and infantry combined. And when these drones work in tandem with 6th-generation jets or ground robots, the battlefield becomes a network of lethal machines, faster and deadlier than any human force. A battlefield without borders or limits. What links all these technologies is their ability to expand the battlefield into previously unimaginable domains. Space, cyberspace, and the electromagnetic spectrum are now arenas of combat just as vital as land, sea, and air. Hypersonic weapons redefine reach and reaction times. AI makes instant decision-making possible. Directed energy eliminates threats in real time. Quantum technology reshapes intelligence and communication. And drone swarms turn the battlefield into a digital swarm of precision violence. The implications are profound, not just for strategy and defense, but for geopolitics, ethics, and the very definition of war itself. Conclusion: the next war will not look like the last. These 5 technologies are not futuristic concepts. They are rapidly maturing systems being integrated into military doctrine today. They promise overwhelming advantage to those who master them first. But with that power comes responsibility and risk. The speed and autonomy of future weapons could make wars more devastating and more difficult to control. As nations pour billions into military innovation, the race is not only to dominate, but to ensure stability in an era where machines may someday fight on behalf of mankind. The question is no longer whether future wars will be different, it's whether we'll be ready when they arrive.